Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better.
Hey guys, so it was fun. We're still at the water park right now. It was crazy fun. I went down on the longest slide. Jody ditched me. Channel real so China the Gideon, you know, trust me. Went down on like this big slide, it take you way up over the treetop, everything. And just one big slide goes straight down. She ditched me. But anyway, it was really fun.
It's like the single ride.
It's like the single ride, yeah, that one. Yeah, she ditched me.
I'm
but
not doing it.
trust me, it was fun. The one that was most fun for me to ride out was the toilet, the one that flush you. The toilet. Like I call it the toilet. So the toilet, that one, the one that flush you, that one is actually the fun. That one was fun for me. Let me show you guys the map. A really nice park. Look at the map.
Meet at the water park, right?
So this is the race.
This is the toilet. We already did that.
Yeah.
It's alien invasion. That's not the toilet.
This is the toilet. Alien invasion. Yeah, alien invasion right here.
This is the clip.
This is actually the best
I'm
one
not doing
right
this.
here.
Like,
I did this one.
I didn't go to Surf City yet.
But,
I didn't go to Dragon Dam.
But most of these I've done all of them already.
Which one's the best place to go to?
Alien.
What?
Barrier Reef. We never did this one.
Alien invasion.
Yeah.
Probably it might not be packed right now, but it's really fun.
This one? It's fun.
Yeah, this one is really fun.
It's like people?
Yeah, too.
Yeah,
Both of us went.
up.
It's crazy fun.
Is it scary or not?
No, the only thing that is scary is the cliff diver.
Everything else is just fine.
Yeah, everything else is fine and fun.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So yeah.
Okay.
But look at the park. It's full. It's nice. There's so many people here with their family and everything. So it's really nice.
You tried this one before? Go on this one?
Yeah, we go on the Abyss already.
I did the Lazy River.
Yeah, the Lazy River was nice.
I'm about to eat right now.
And the roller coaster, when you're sitting at the front, that's super nice. But I'm going to get some footage for you guys so you guys can see what it's like, alright? Alright guys, so this is one of the slides that they have right here. It goes straight up. And then it comes, shoot it straight down there. I'm gonna try and get some footage in.
It's better you stand right here. You can both.
Let's do one more shot.
I could do this, but the one that is straight, I'm not doing it.
Everybody in the shot. Yeah man, I'm in the shot too.
You see yourself?
Yeah.
Alright guys, welcome to Top Swing. You moved over?
Yeah. Oh, I think that's water on.
Alright guys, welcome to Top Swing. Press down both black buttons to shoot. You're going to shoot at the target right down here. And there's 3 of you playing, so there was always a guaranteed winner. And one if he does win, you can win one of these nice prizes right down here. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Have fun.
Come on, baby!
You won number 2, so which prize can I get you?
Give me the brown thing.
This one?
Yes.
Right, there you go.
Get another game or just one game?
It's just one game.
I don't want to. You're not begging, I'm not going to win.
Alright guys, So as you see, I won the game. And I got this nice teddy bear. And Jody did it. So this is a slide I'm telling you guys about that Jody ditched me on, and it's pretty much amazing. It goes way up there, but I'm not sure if I'm going to get a good footage on it and stuff like that. It's really fast, it'll shoot you out, it's crazy. So I'm going to try and get as much footage I can as possible. Alright guys, so bear with me. I can't go in the gate, but it starts from way up there. That's where it starts from. See how far that is? And it comes all the way down through the trees, come down.
Oh, we can show them.
So trust me, they come down really, really fast. Look at that drop. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's crazy fun. But I went on that ride and it's
Speed is fast.
yeah, it happens so fast. It's like it's really fun. Let's see one more footage.
My friend did too. I seen girls that went down like, my friend didn't do it. I got the only wedgie, like my friend is still in there.
Alright, no, this one is epic. This one is the most fun at the park right now, the alien invasion. Trust me people, this is so much fun. I had so much fun with this one. So check this out right now. So they shoot them all from here and it goes all the way around. Like wait for me, I want one more shot. Alright, so this is what we're having right now. Jody and I are having pizza, Gatorade, so we're just going to enjoy it. Show you guys what we're munching down into. But it's a good time. We're hungry like animals, but yeah. Say you miss it, say you're missing out. But I just say it, we'll have fun. Alright, my ginger bread and jelly bean, this is it. End of the day, Splish Splash was a blast. As you can see my eye red from the chlorine, dash out and splash out. See Miss Lady over there on her phone doing her thing. A go wine. Give me go wine. Hey. But yeah, so you miss it. You miss it and diss it. But yeah, it was a good experience. I really enjoyed it. if you guys going on vacation and decided to, you know, go in Long Island, make sure you check out Splish Splash. It's a really nice park. It's affordable as well, so you guys can save for that. I'll put the prices in the description below, so you guys can check it out. So yeah, we're going to head home now because we're tired and the park is closing. It closed at 7, so it's after 7 now. But I just want to say thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy all the clips. It was a fun day for me. Hope everybody is doing alright. Hope you're enjoying your day as well. Hope you're enjoying the summer holidays as me. So remember to subscribe and share for more videos like this. Sub the channel. Leave a comment below. It's free. And just enjoy. Alright, guys. So from Splish Splash to JVLOGS, Plunkett, guys. I'm out. Surf.
Right? Mark?
Yeah, I think so.
I'm not going to go out there so we can see.